Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you data science real-time interview questions with answers from 26 to 30 out of 4500 questions. Before going to the topic, please subscribe to my channel, like it and click on bell button. What is collaborative filtering? Filtering is a process used by recommender systems to find patterns and information from numerous data sources, several agents, and collaborating perspectives. In other words, a collaborative method is a process of making automatic predictions from human preferences or interests. Next one is, do we have different selection biases? If yes, what are they? There are four bias: sampling bias, time interval bias, data bias, attrition bias, sampling bias. This bias arises when you select only particular people or when non-random selection of samples happen. In general terms, it is nothing but a selection of the majority of the people belong to one group. Next one is time interval bias. Sometimes a trial may be terminated earlier than actual time, probably due to some ethical reasons. But the extreme value finally taken into consideration is the most significant value, even though all other variables have similar meaning. Next one is data bias. We can name it as a data bias when a separate set of data is taken to support a conclusion or eliminates terrible data based on the arbitrary grounds instead of generally relying on generally stated criteria. Last one is attrition bias. Attrition bias is defined as an error that occurs due to unequal loss of participants from a randomized controlled trial, that is RCT. There are some cases in which the participants' losses due to various reasons is called an attrition. What is deep learning? Deep learning is subfield of machine learning inspired by structure and function of brain called artificial neural network. We have a large number of algorithms under machine learning like linear regression, SVM, support vector machine, neural network, etc. And deep learning is just an extension of neural networks. In neural networks, we consider small number of hidden layers, but when it comes to deep learning algorithms, we consider a huge number of hidden layers to better understand the input-output relationship. Next one is, what is TF or IDF vectorization? TF or IDF is short for term frequency inverse document frequency. Is a numerical statistic that is intended to reflect how important a word is to a document in a collection or corpus. It is often used as a weighing factor in information retrieval and text mining. The TF-IDF value increases probably due to the number of times a word appears in the document, but is offset by the frequency of the word in the corpus, which helps to adjust for the fact that some words appear more frequently in general. Next one is, what are recommender systems? A subclass of information filtering systems that are meant to predict the preferences or ratings that a user would give to a product. Recommender systems are widely used in movies, news, research articles, products, social tags, music, etc. Thank you, friends. We'll see in the future videos.